In this video, I will show you how to use AI commands to create a social media post that targets business owners. AI commands use AI technology to assist you in crafting improved content. Let's jump right to it. If you have multiple properties, make sure you selected the correct property. First, click the knowledge base icon located at the top of the dashboard. Then create a new article to get started. Add a new paragraph by clicking this button. Click on the text box, and these options will appear. Click this icon, and it will ask you to tell AI Assist what to do. In this example, we will show you how to create a social media post that targets business owners and teaches them how to manage work-life balance. Once it finishes generating a response, it will give you 4 options. Done. Continue writing, retry, discard. In this case, let's click Continue Writing. If you are satisfied with the result, just click Done, and boom! You successfully created a social media post that targets business owners and teaches them how to manage work-life balance. For further instructions on how to use this function, please visit our community center or schedule a call with an AI Assist specialist by clicking the link in the description.